More problems with FEMA in the wake of Hurricane Katrina. In a report to be released tomorrow, the government says scammers have swindled hundreds of millions of dollars, maybe more than $1 billion from FEMA. Tonight, ABC's John Cochran reports on the con artists who got their hands on your money.
Katrina was a disaster for hundreds of thousands of people, but an opportunity for those who saw a chance to make money out of tragedy. When FEMA started handing out relief checks, the scammers claimed they had damaged property and gave FEMA phony addresses. Sometimes they were post office boxes, sometimes UPS stores, sometimes even cemeteries. FEMA, overworked, understaffed, and sometimes just plain incompetent, never found out.
This was an assault on the American taxpayer first and foremost.
Government investigators set up an undercover operation to test FEMA. FEMA paid nearly $6,000 to an undercover agent who had submitted a vacant lot as a damaged address. FEMA also sent checks for housing assistance to people using phony names. Millions of dollars went to people who registered several times for aid using the names and social security numbers of prison inmates. FEMA also gave out debit cards and cannot verify that cards worth $1.5 million actually went to Katrina victims. Some of those cards were used for Caribbean vacations, pro football tickets, pornography, strip clubs, and a sex change operation. Congress is hopping mad.
We were outraged, and we have referred to the Justice Department about 7,000 cases for criminal prosecution.
Investigators estimate Katrina-related fraud is between $600 million and $1.4 billion. But they say the actual figure is much, much higher because they did not investigate insurance fraud and other bogus claims. Whatever the real figure is, it's your money. John Cochran, ABC News, Washington.
And still ahead tonight, an autopilot for your car, the breakthrough that could save 10,000 lives a year.